Let's see if we can make it work. So sometimes it catches it and sometimes it falls off. Where that goes. Oh yeah, so now it fell off because it's a little bit sticks out from the wall there, but you have some pretty cool parts. So you have like these things that you can bend. There it fell again. These things that you can bend in any shape that you'd like, and then you have these little buckets that you can push on, so you can have that like as like a loop-de-loop over here as the end. So that's pretty cool. This can catch one and then move down. Let's see if we can get there. It did work sometimes, but not all of the time, unfortunately. So it's pretty difficult to make, to actually make these. But when you can get that to work, I think that's magic. So I think that's why it's also pretty educational, because you can make these and then adjust a little bit for gravity and really make sure that you can get down there, all the way down there. So I think this is about the normal box, but we got the big box. Oh, and I think things like this, like a little trampoline, is in the big box. And then these funnels as well, which are quite cool, so it can catch that and then move on there. So this is the big box. You just get a lot more pieces, and this is one of these things that you can just stick in there and then stick that to the wall. And this is one which has the adhesive already, so it can get quite dirty, but they say you can clean that off and then use that infinitely. You have a few of these extra ones and you can also reorder them if you need, but we've used this for about a month and we haven't needed that to reorder those new ones. They just keep sticking and you can clean them off with a wet towelette. Then you also have this loop-de-loop. I think that this is in the big box as well, and then two of these funnels, which is quite cool. And then quite a few balls. I think we got 10 of these balls in the big box. So all in all, it's very cool to make. You have these extensions, so you can add two of these together, and you can put this all across your wall. So that's pretty cool to do. So I think we have some work to do here to make that work. Oh yeah, so it got that. It's pretty cool. And then went to the end. So we have to rebuild, I think, that middle part here just a bit. So the balls are made of metal, quite heavy and solid, and you get quite a few. So I really recommend this for anyone looking for a cool marble run.